Yes, students. So let's continue the chapter polynomials. You all know that in yesterday's class we were focusing on applications of zeros of polynomials and also forming a new polynomial when new zeros are given. So these are the two important concepts on which we focused. And the second concept, that is forming a new polynomial when new zeros are given. I think in that two were over. Is it not? The last one was, if alpha and beta are zeros of a polynomial, then we have to form a new polynomial when new zeros are 2 alpha plus 3 beta and 3 alpha plus 2 beta. Is it not? Yes or no? That was last one. Okay, now let me move on to the next one. Directly I'll go for writing this. Right. It is third one. Right. If alpha and beta are the zeros of, if alpha and beta are the zeros of x square plus 4x plus 3, then form a new polynomial, or just you may write a polynomial whose zeros are 1 plus alpha by beta and 1 plus beta by alpha. Please observe here. Here they have given alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 4x plus 3. With respect to these zeros, this is the polynomial. And you are going to find a new polynomial for these two zeros. That is 1 plus alpha by beta and 1 plus beta by alpha. So you know that to form any new polynomial or any polynomial, we need to have sum of zeros and product of zeros. So we have to find out sum of new zeros and sum of product of new zeros. And there we need substitution for even alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So let us go for finding that by using this polynomial. Right. Solution. Let me write the given polynomial in standard form. This is x square plus 4x plus 3. It is already in standard form. Let us write the coefficients. The coefficients are a is 1, b is 4, and c is constant, that is 3. Then we need to find out sum and product. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a. That is equal to minus of substitute, where b is 4 and a is 1. So 4 by 1 is 4. Here is minus. Let me write minus. Next, find out the product of zeros, alpha into beta. That is c by a, where c is 3 and a is 1. 3 by 1 is, it is 3. You are going to form a new polynomial for the new zeros. So these two are new zeros. So let us write them. Right. New zeros are 1 plus alpha by beta, then 1 plus beta by alpha. These are the two new zeros. Then obviously we have to find out the new sum as well as new product, right? And go for finding the sum. That is sum of new zeros. This is equal to, here it is, 1 plus alpha by beta plus second zero, 1 plus beta by alpha. Then this is equal to, just go for adding the numbers. Okay, here is 1, here is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus remaining alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. And this is equal to, let us go for taking the LCM. LCM of the denominator, it is alpha beta. Then multiply LCM with the first term. You will get 2 alpha beta plus LCM with the second term. Beta beta get cancelled. Alpha will remain. Alpha into alpha, alpha square. Plus multiply LCM with the second term. Beta by alpha. So here alpha get cancelled. Beta into beta, beta square. This is equal to, observe numerator terms, 2 alpha beta plus alpha square plus beta square. In which form it is? Does it in the form of any identity? Yes or no? Yes, it is. Look here, it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. It can be written as a plus b whole square. So, all right, this is alpha plus beta whole square divided by alpha into beta is equal to, where alpha plus beta is minus 4. Here I'll write minus 4 whole square. Alpha into beta, this is 3. This is equal to, minus 4 whole square is 16, then by 3. 16 by 3. This is the new sum, nothing but sum of new zero. Just do remember this, it is 16 by 3. Now I'm going to rub this part because we have to find out the new product. Shall I rub it? Okay. Yes. Vismay, have you written? Yes. Chandana, yes? Okay, good. And rub it. Let us find out the product of new zeros. Right. Product. That is equal to 1 plus alpha by beta into 1 plus beta by alpha. Now multiply. First multiply 1 with both the terms. Here 1 into 1 is 1. Then 1 into beta by alpha. This is beta by alpha 1. Next multiply alpha by beta with both the terms. Alpha by beta into 1. It is alpha by beta. Plus alpha by beta into beta by alpha. See that? Alpha by beta into beta by alpha. Alpha get cancelled. Beta get cancelled. It is 1. Now this is equal. Again, 1 plus 1 is 2. Directly I'll go for taking LCM. Alpha beta is the LCM. Multiply with first term. It is alpha beta. Last term, alpha beta. This will be 2 alpha beta. With second term, it is beta square. Third term, alpha square. We got to say this is equal to alpha plus beta whole square by alpha beta. Again, we got the same, even product also. This is equal to, where alpha plus beta is minus 4, whole square is there, right? And alpha into beta is 3. This is 16 by 3. Just compare sum of new zeros, product of new zeros. In both the cases, we have got same. So this is one of the special type of polynomial in which the sum of zeros is equal to product of zeros. We got new sum and new product. Let us go for forming new polynomial. Here I'll rub it. New polynomial is, right, new polynomial is, it can be written as P of x is equal to x square minus sum. Drupadesh, have you completed this? Then go on writing. Minus sum of new zeros into x plus product of new zeros. Now this is equal to x square minus sum, where sum, we know that sum of new zeros, it is 16 by 3. All right, 16 by 3 into x plus product of new zeros, it is also 16 by 3. But do remember, here in both sum of new zeros and product of new zeros, fraction is there. Hence, let's go for taking the constant k. And here also, I'll take k. Next, k into, take the LCM of the denominator. Here 3 and 3 is there, LCM is 3. Multiply LCM with all the terms. 3 into x square, 3x square, multiply with second term. 3 get cancelled. You will get 16x. Multiply with third term. 3 get cancelled. This is 16. Now is equal to 3x square minus 16x plus 16, where k is 3. So this is the required polynomial. Here I'll write the conclusion. Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is this is 3x square minus 16x plus 16. Now let me go for taking another one. Right, same type of fourth one. Alpha and beta are the zeros of. Alpha and beta are the zeros of. Zeros of the polynomial 3x square minus 4x plus 1. 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Comma. Then form a polynomial. Whose zeros are. Form a polynomial whose zeros are alpha squared by beta and beta squared by alpha. Even this was also given in the examination. So as I've already taught, try to do that yourself. Go on finding. First write the given polynomial. Given polynomial is, this is 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Then write the coefficients. The coefficients are a is 1, b is minus 4, and c is plus 1. After that, find out the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Alpha and beta are the zeros. Their sum alpha plus beta is minus b by a, which is equal to minus half, where b is minus 4 by a is 1. This is equal to 4. Then product of zeros, alpha into beta, this is c by a is equal to, substitute, c is 1, a is also 1. The product is 1. Sorry, a is 3. A is 3. Sum is 4 by 3. Product is 1 by 3. Have you got same? Sudarshan? Okay. Sneha AP? Have got same? Okay. Chayayam? Okay. Let us take new zeros. Yes, Sumukh K. Gowda. Sumukh, Venkatesh, Kirtan TM. Sumukh K. Gowda. Sumukh, Venkatesh, Kirtan M, Kirtan TM. Harsha SG. Chandu PS. Vikas S.
Sir.
Mithun Swami EK. Yes, any one of these, you can tell what are the new zeros. Any of these students, Sumukh K. Gowda, Venkatesh, Kirtan TM, Chandu PS, Harsha SG, Vikas S, and Mithun Swami EK. Sir has allowed you to speak. Even Anup Kumar CH, Nandish DC, Samarth S, Chetan Kumar, and Tejas B. These students should respond to my questions. Now, let us write the new zeros. New zeros are alpha square by beta and beta square by alpha. These are the new zeros. Let us go for finding the sum of new zeros. Sumukh, the new sum is, it is alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. This is equal to, go for taking the LCM of the denominator. LCM is alpha beta multiply LCM with first term. Beta get cancelled. Alpha will remain. Alpha into alpha square, alpha cube. Then multiply LCM with second term. Multiply. Alpha get cancelled. Beta will remain. Beta into beta square is beta cube. Have you got same? Varsha MS? Tushar? Okay, good. Vismay? Have you got same? Doubtfully. Okay. And observe,
Sir.
numerator, this is of the form a cube plus b cube, right? We know that a cube plus b cube identity. This is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Do you all remember? Yes. Let us go for writing alpha cube plus beta cube in this form. This is equal to Tejas B. Tejas B.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How can we write alpha cube plus beta cube?
Alpha plus beta whole cube.
Alpha plus beta whole cube. See that here I have written alpha cube plus beta cube is of the form a cube plus b cube. This can be written as a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Formal bardre now it can be written as alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square
minus alpha beta
divided by alpha beta. This is equal to, let me write this alpha plus beta as it is. Oh, look here. 1 minute. Please don't write. Please don't write. Just answer. Alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Then this minus alpha beta. Understood?
Yes,
Yeah. Divided by alpha beta. Repeatedly I have been telling, don't go for copying. Easy method. We have another method also. I'll tell you that also. Now it will be alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus 1 alpha beta. It will be minus 3 alpha beta. We know sum and product. We can substitute. This is one thing. You can make it as simple one. Again, by recalling the identity a plus b whole cube. Ignore it. I'll move according to that. Just look here. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Wow. In this, we want a cube plus b cube. Then a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube. Transfer all these to the left hand side. It will be minus 3ab into a plus b is equal to a cube plus b. Did you understand? Here we will get sum and product directly. So this will be easier. Yes. Now you can write it. This is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube is alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b by alpha beta. Here you may give the reason, because a plus b whole cube it is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now you may substitute. It is equal to Mithun Swami EK. Mithun Swami. Chandu PS. We know that alpha plus beta is 4 by 3. Let me write the same. 4 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into AB alpha beta. 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. 3 into alpha beta. Alpha beta is 1 by 3 into alpha plus beta. Again 4 by 3 divided by alpha into beta. This is 1 by 3 is equal to, now 4 by 3 whole cube. 4 cube is 64. 4 are 64
by 27.
64. Then 3 cube is 27. Next 3 and 3 get cancelled. This is minus 1. then 4 by 3 into 4 by 3, just 4 by 3, whole divided by 1 by 3. Now, here I'll write. It is equal to, in numerator, we have fractional terms. Let's go for taking LCM and simplify. 27 multiplied 3 is LCM is 27. Multiply 27 with first term, get cancelled, you will get 64. Minus, multiply 27 with the second term.
26.
Yes, 4 by 3 is into 27. 3 ones are 3, 9s are 9 fours are 36 are divided by 1 by 3. This is equal to, again simplify, numerator 64 minus 36. Here 14 minus 6 is 8.
28, sir.
5 minus 3 is 2, 28. 28 by 27. Whole divided by 1 by. Have you got same?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to 20. Directly you can cancel it, or else I'll write like this. 28 by 27. Take the reciprocal of the denominator. It is
3 by 1.
This will be 3 by 1. Now cancel it. 3 ones are 3 nines are. This is 28 by 9. Have you got same? This is
Yes,
new
sir.
sum. Nothing but sum of new zero.
Oh, sir.
Sum equal to 28 by 9. Shall we find out their product? Chinmay, shall we find out? Okay.
1
Smart
by 3.
utility?
1 by 3.
Right, sir.
Oh. Let us find out the product. Here, new product, nothing but product of new zeros. It is equal to what it was, alpha square by beta into beta square by alpha. See how simple it is. Here alpha, get cancelled. Beta, get cancelled. Remaining alpha into beta. This is alpha into beta. Now we got the product. Alpha beta is 1 by 3. So product of new zeros is 1 by 3. Now let us form new polynomial.
9x square minus 28x plus 3, sir.
Correct. You are right. Observe it. Observe. The sum is in fraction, 28 by 9. Product is also in fraction. So let us write new polynomial as P of x is equal to K into, let's go and write it. K into x square minus sum of new zeros into x plus product of new zeros. This is equal to K into x square minus sum, we know that it is 28 by 9 into x plus product of new zeros. This is 1 by 3. This is equal to K into, take the LCM of the denominator. It is 9. Multiply 9 with first term. It is 9x square. With second term, 9 get cancelled. It is 28x. With third term, 1 by 3 into 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. It is 3. Aditya Vishet. Now, let us write 9x square minus 28x plus 3 as it is. Where k is 9. Have you got same?
Sir.
Okay, good. Nishka,
Sir.
have you got same? Good. Pratham Raikar? Okay, very good. Sharad Pawar? Oh. Yes. So conclusion. Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is 9x square minus 28x plus 3.
Sir, I have doubts, sir.
Yes, please ask me.
So in worksheet, the third problem, I didn't get the answer, sir.
Who is Gautami? I think
Yes, sir.
Gautami. Worksheet
Yes, sir.
third. Wait, just a minute. Worksheet third one.
Sir, we also
Oh,
didn't get answer.
just I'll give you the hint. Wait. Don't go for. I won't solve. Just I'll give you the hint. Before going to fifth one. Just observe here. The statement was like this. Madhavi Churi. Load alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. And then we have to evaluate alpha raised to the power minus 2 plus beta raised to the power minus 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This can be written as
1 by
alpha square. This is 1 by beta square. Take LCM. It will be alpha beta whole square. And numerator, this is beta square plus alpha square. Alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta.
Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2
alpha
alpha.
beta. Then in place of alpha plus beta, write minus c by a whole square. Alpha into beta, c by a divided by c by a whole square. Then you can go for simplify. Got it, Gautami?
Yes, sir.
Second one, is there any doubt? I think
Yes,
you
sir.
don't have. Okay.
Yes, sir. We have, sir.
Okay, one. Then just observe here. It is alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Same type. It should be simplified. Either you simplify one, you'll get LCM is alpha beta, then alpha cube plus beta cube, right? Alpha cube plus beta cube can be written as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta into alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Write minus b by a in place of alpha plus beta and c by a in place of alpha into beta. Then you can go for simplify. Understood? Have you got?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll move on to fifth one. After solving fifth one, then we'll move on to the next type. Right? Fifth one. In an example, you can put double star. Right. If alpha and beta are the zeros of alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial x square minus 3x minus 2 then form a new polynomial, a new quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this is 1 by 2 alpha plus beta and another one 1 by 2 beta plus alpha. Same statement. I have not at all changed anything as it is. If alpha and beta are the zeros of given quadratic polynomial, this is, then we have to form new quadratic polynomial for new zeros. Let's go for finding them. It's just the steps what we have followed in previous problems. Here also we'll take the same. Write the given polynomial. Right. It is given polynomial is Ganesh. It is x square minus 3x minus 2. Please go on writing with me. Siddharth. Now write the coefficient. A is 1. B is, this is minus 3. And C is minus 2. Next, let us find out sum and product. That is alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a. That's equal to minus 1, where b is minus 3 and a is 1. It's equal to plus 3. Gautami, have you got same? Okay. Next, product alpha into beta. This is c by a, where c is minus 2 and a is 1. That is equal to minus 2. For given polynomial, we have found out sum and product. Now let us go for taking the new zeros. Right, the new zeros. Here are right. New zeros are. It is 1 by 2 alpha plus beta and 1 by 2 beta plus alpha. Now let us find out the sum of new zeros. Right, sum. This is equal to 1 by 2 alpha plus beta plus 1 by 2 beta plus alpha. Have you done the same? Tanmay? Good. Jayant? Have you written the same? Good boy. Then take the LCM of the denominator. LCM is, as both are different, you can write 2 alpha plus beta into 2 beta plus alpha. Then cross multiply. 2 beta plus alpha is, alpha into 1 is 2 beta plus alpha only. Plus 2 alpha plus beta into 1 is 2 alpha plus beta only.
T beta plus 3 alpha.
बंद करते हैं देखो लाइट चालू
Okay, return. Now look here. 1 alpha plus 2 alpha, 3 alpha. 2 beta plus 1 beta, 3 beta. So you can write 3 alpha plus 3 beta. Denominator. Please go for multiplying. 2 alpha with both the terms. 2 alpha into 2 beta, it is 4 alpha beta. 2 alpha into alpha, it is 2 alpha square. Then multiply beta with both the terms. Beta into 2 beta, it is 2 beta square plus beta into alpha is, beta into alpha is alpha beta. This is equal to, it's equal to Here, numerator. Can we take 3 as common factor?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
3 into alpha plus beta.
Yeah. Very good. 3 alpha plus 3 beta. I can take 3 as common factor. It will be alpha plus beta. 3 into alpha plus beta. Now you just observe it. In these three terms, 4 alpha beta plus 2 alpha square, beta square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 common ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Sir, 5 alpha beta, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
3
somebody
alpha
is-
beta plus.
5 alpha beta.
Let us
No,
not go
sir.
for 5 alpha
We
beta.
can take identity, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That is why I am going to take this in the simplest way. As, please don't write, just observe. 4 alpha beta plus 2 alpha square plus 2 beta square. If I take 2 as common factor, it will be 2 alpha beta plus alpha square plus beta square. Then plus alpha beta can be written separately. Did you understand? Okay.
Yes,
This-
sir.
I mean, don't write. Wait. No. These step no by necessity error. Directly you can write. You know that alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta can be written as alpha plus beta whole square. So I'm going to reduce one step. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha beta. Any doubt? Copy this.
No, sir.
2 times alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha beta. Now, let me continue.
Sir, can you explain that step again, sir?
We'll continue on. 3 into alpha plus beta, where alpha plus beta is 3, divided by 2 into alpha plus beta whole square. 2 into alpha plus beta is 3 whole square, plus alpha into beta, this is minus 2. Doubt? Nisha has come right. Doubt is there, no doubt. Okay, good. Meghana? No doubt. Okay. Manya dear? Any doubt?
Explain on, sir.
Just
Sir, explain on.
from here, in a new 2 na common formula, it will be 2 alpha beta plus alpha square plus beta square. Idishtu nanu alpha plus beta whole square anta tagondini. Alpha plus beta whole square into 2. Then this alpha beta is written as. Next we have substitute. Let us go for simplify. This is equal to 3 3s are 9. Now here 3 square is 9, 9 2s are 18 minus 2.
9 by 16, sir.
9 by 16, very good. It is the product, sorry, sum of new zeros. Sum of new zeros.
Product is 1 by 16, sir.
Wait. Artha aitanamma? Ruchika T. Okay. And Nidhishri? Okay. Vijayta? Vedavyas? He is absconded. Okay. Bhumika? Okay. Right. Product. Product of new zeros. Let me take the zeros. Vijayta, your concentration should be here. Right. Product is 1 by 2 alpha plus beta into 1 by 2 beta plus alpha. Are you writing? Okay. Now, this is equal. Multiply numerator. 1 into 1 is 1. Multiply the denominator as well. It is just like previous one only. 2 alpha square into 2 alpha into 2 beta, 4 alpha beta. 2 alpha into alpha,
1 by
2
16.
alpha square. Plus beta into 2 beta, 2 beta square. Beta into alpha, alpha beta. This is equal to 1 by, again you can take 2 as common factor, into 2 alpha beta plus alpha square plus beta square. It is alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha beta. Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now you may substitute. It is equal to 1 by 2 into where alpha plus beta is 3 whole square plus alpha into beta is it is minus 2. Let me continue that here only. It is 1 by 3 whole square is 9. 9 twos are 18. Then plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2. It will be 1 by 16. Shashankya Machar, hope you got the same. Suman? Okay. And Preeti KM? Okay. Now we got sum is 9 by 60 and product is 1 by 60. As we got both sum and product, you can form new polynomial.
16x square minus 9x plus 1, sir.
16x
Square minus
You are right.
9x plus
Correct.
k equals to 6.
Right. New polynomial is this is p of x is equal to x square as the sum and product are in fraction and write k into x square minus sum of new zeros into x plus product of new zeros. Substitute. This is equal to k into Sandeep, RV, Somesh, Dheeraj, Nisarga,
16x square minus 9x plus 1, sir. Answer.
so be in the line. X square minus where sum is 9 by 60 into x plus product is 1 by 16. Let's take LCM. LCM is 16. Multiply 16 with all the terms. 16 into x square, 16x square. Minus with the second term, both get cancelled. You will get 9x. Plus multiply LCM with the third term. 16 get cancelled. You will get 1. It is equal to, all right, 16x square minus 9x plus 1, where k is 60. So this is the required polynomial. Right, conclusion. Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is 16x square minus 9x plus 1.
Over, sir.
This trick has been completed. Just listen to me. We have solved two types of problems. Since yesterday, we have been focusing on these two types. First one is finding the value of the polynomial for the given statement. Nazneen, look here. And second one, forming a new polynomial when new zeros are given. So these are the two types. Next, we are going to focus on another very important type of problem on applications of zeros of polynomial. It is finding the value of some unknown terms like k, p, m, like this it will be there. So I'm going to give you such problems also. Exam, you can expect for 1 mark or 2 mark. Yes. Right. For this, you have to write separate side heading. Worked exam. It's based on applications of zeros of polynomial only. Worked examples. Worked
Deepak, Deepak, how to sit? Huh? If you don't have an interest, you can left. You can leave the meeting.
Right. If alpha and beta are the zeros of 2x square plus 5x plus k put comma, then find k if it satisfies alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. This is equal to 21/4. Dear students, I've been reminding you that this type problem will be given either for 1 mark or for 2 marks. If it is for 2 marks, we expect the steps. And for 1 mark, at most we may expect only 2 to 3 steps. So let me go for teaching you that once you go through the given statement. The given statement is, here also alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. The given polynomial is 2x square plus 5x plus k. We know that this is the polynomial in x and the unknown term is, it is k. We are going to find out the k value. I zeros, whatever alpha and beta are the zeros of given polynomial and then those zeros will satisfy this statement. Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. That is equal to 21/4. Using this statement, we have to find out the value of k. To find out the value of k, you must simplify this. When you simplify this, you can come to know that it is in the form of either alpha plus beta or alpha into beta or both. Hence, we have to find out alpha plus beta and alpha into beta for this polynomial. Very simple. This should be written in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Adana substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to find out alpha plus beta and alpha into beta from this. Left, right. Right. Solution. The given polynomial is, it is 2x square plus 5x plus k. Write the coefficients. A is 2, B is 5, and C is K.
Sir, K value is 2, sir.
K is 2. Very good boy.
2.
You are right. Now let us find out alpha plus beta. We know that alpha plus beta is minus B by A. It is equal to minus 5 by 2. Then find alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is C by A, where C is K, A is 2. It is K by 2. We got both sum and product. Now look at it. This given statement should be expressed in alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. It is alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta equal to 21 by 4. Dear students, you all know that alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, right? Right. It is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. And remaining 1 alpha beta is there. I write this as it is. This is equal to 21 by 4. Then what is alpha plus beta? It is minus 5 by 2. Let me substitute that. Minus 5 by 2 whole square. Next, just observe. Minus 2 alpha beta plus 1 alpha beta is minus alpha beta. So minus alpha into beta is K by 2.
By 2.
This is equal to 21 by 4. Please ask me if you have any doubt. Chayabi, any doubt? No, very good. Pratiksha DG? No. Prarthana?
Sir, can you repeat the last?
Repeat. And Deepthi DV, any doubts? No. Once I tell, it is alpha square plus beta square is written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Then plus alpha beta is written as it is. That's equal to 21 by 4. In place of alpha plus beta, I have to take minus 5 by 4. That has been taken. Whole square. Next, minus 2 alpha beta plus 1 alpha beta. It is minus 1 alpha beta. So minus 1 alpha beta is K by 2. That has been written. Now let's go for simplifying. It is apply square to both. Minus 5 whole square is 25 by 2 whole square is 4. Minus
4.
K by 2. This is equal to 21 by 4. You can simplify this. You will take the LCM. LCM is 4.
alpha beta where you sir?
4.
2 alpha beta where you sir? You written only alpha beta na sir. K by 2.
Minus 2 alpha beta, 1 alpha beta is minus 1 alpha beta. We got only alpha beta. So for that alpha beta, I have taken substitution. Got it?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now this is LCM is 4. It is 25 minus
Equals to 2.
2K is equal to 21 by 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. Now 25, transfer 21 to the left hand side. It becomes minus 21. Transfer minus 2K to the right hand side. It becomes plus 2K. 25 minus 21 is 4 is equal to K. K is equal to 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. So value of K is 2. Written up. Aditi UM. Aditi UM. Finished up? Okay. But if it is asked for 1 month, will you go for writing these many steps? No need. No need to go for writing these many steps. If it is asked for 1 mark, directly a question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ modify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. It is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta is minus alpha beta equal to 21 by 4. Then alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 whole square. Alpha into beta, C by A, K by 2. It is equal to 21 by 4. Then 25 by 4 minus K by 2 is equal to 21 by 4. Then you can multiply 4 with all the terms. 25 minus 2K is equal to 21. Then K will 2K is equal to 4, K equal to 2. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum 5 steps at a move for 1 mark. You can follow this one. 2 marks or 3 marks, obviously you need to follow these many steps. Next, again I am going to give you the same time. Right. Second one. If alpha and beta are the zeros of, second one, if alpha and beta are the zeros of kx square plus 4x plus 4. Kx square plus 4x plus 4. So come on. Then find k. Find k. Satisfying. Satisfying. It is very simple one. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. Alpha square plus beta square is 24. Yes. Let's go for finding. You will observe direct. Just observe it. Alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 24. Alpha plus beta minus b by a. Minus b by a minus 4 by k. So minus 4 by k whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. This is c by a. 4 by k. 4 by k. It's equal to 24. It can be simplified. Got it? Now I'll move on to actual steps. Right. We want both alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. I'll write the given polynomial. It is kx square plus 4x plus 4. Write quickly. A is k, b is 4, and c is 4. Then alpha plus beta is minus b by a. It is minus 4 by k. Next, alpha into beta is c by a. It is 4 by k. Now, let me continue that. This is, let us write the given statement. It is alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. Karan Gowda, Sushant SB. Karan Gowda, where were you? Alpha square plus beta square can be written as
Alpha plus beta whole square
Alpha
minus
plus
2 alpha
beta square
beta.
plus 2 minus 2 alpha square.
is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 24. Sushant SB, are you writing? Show your writing. Okay. Where alpha plus beta is minus 4 by k whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is just 4 by k is equal to 24. This can be written as 16 by k square multiply 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 by k is equal to 22. Take LCM and simplify. LCM is k square. Multiply LCM with first term, it is 60. Second term, minus 8k. This is equal to 24. Now 16 minus 8k is equal to, cross multiply k square. This will be 24k square. Transfer all the terms to the right hand side. 24k square as it is, minus 8k, it becomes plus 8k. Next, 16 becomes minus 16. It's equal to 0. Observe all the coefficients. 24, 8 and 16. They are all the multiples of 8. You can divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. Then it will be 8 3s are 24. 3k square. 8 1s are 8. It is 1k minus 8 2s are 16. It's equal to 0. Now, it should be simplified by factorization. I'll write that here. Right. 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. Multiply first and last term, 3 and minus 2. It will be minus 6. Middle term is just 1k. Then how can we go for taking? It is
3 and 2, sir.
3 and
3 and minus 2, sir. Plus 3 minus 2.
Very
Plus
good.
3.
3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2, 5. But now we give 1. So here I'll take minus. 3 minus 2 is plus 1. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Now right, it is 3k square plus 3k minus 2, then minus 2k, then constant minus 2 equal to 0. Group and simplify. In first group, common factor is 3k. It will be k plus 1. Second group, 2 is common factor. Again, k plus 1. The whole statement, k plus 1 is there. Remaining, it will be 3k minus 2 equal to 0. Return.
K equals to 1 minus 1 and 2 by 3. sir.
Have return.
2 by 3 and 2 by 3 minus 1.
Return. Okay. Yes. Then k plus 1 equal to 0 and 3k minus 2 equal to 0. Find k equal to, and transferring 1 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. And this is 3k, transfer minus 2 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. K equal to, it is 2 by 3.
Excuse, sir.
Yes. Deepak LP, understood? Yes, good boy. Milan,
Sir, can you explain, sir, please?
yes?
Can you explain, sir? Left side.
Where?
Left side, sir.
This part, huh? Okay, okay. Observe. Here it is just like a finding the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. We know how to factorize LHS part. Rahul Palati. Yellello iftial kada neenu. Yesterday I asked you to enter the marks, but ನೀನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Maths column ಅಲ್ಲಿ mathematics, science column ನಲ್ಲಿ science ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ?
My father entered, sir. I didn't see it. My father entered it, sir. I didn't see it.
Oh, very good. Very good. Your father had not attended the test, so he did not have the marks, so that he might have.
I was
No,
in
that
class,
we
sir, that time. No, sir, I was in class.
Okay, anyhow, observe. 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. It should be factorized. That's why we have multiplied first and last term. First term is minus 3, last term is minus 2. Sorry, plus 3. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Middle term is 1k. So I have written 1. We want factors of 6. Such that on simplifying, we should get 1. Here, 3 2s are 6. Whereas 3 plus 2 is 5. But we want 1. Hence I have taken this is minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. In place of k, we have written 3k minus 2. Remaining minus 2 as it is. We have made the group by taking 2 terms. In the first group, 3k is common factor. 3k into k square. Plus 3k into 1, 3k. Next, in the second group, minus 2 is common factor. Minus 2 into k, minus 2. Minus 2k, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. In the whole statement, k plus 1 is common factor. Remaining 3k minus 2. Equate each term to 0. Then find the value of k.
Sir, why you divided 8 on both sides?
Because here all the coefficients are the multiple of 5. 8, 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So that is why we have divided by 8. Next one. Third one. Right. This is an examinal case. This has been asked in the examination for 1 mark only. Put double star mark and write. If the sum of the squares of 0, if the sum of squares of zeros of the polynomial x square minus 8x plus k is 40. Then find k. Actually statement, symbolic statement has been not given. In the previous problem, we got alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta, that's equal to 21/4. And another one, previous one, it was alpha square plus beta square equal to 24. But in that symbolic statement has not been given. It should be converted. If sum of squares of zeros of the polynomial, this polynomial is 40. Sum
Alpha
of
square plus
squares
beta
of
square is
zero.
equal to 40, sir.
Once
Alpha square
once
plus
again-
beta square is equal to 40.
Correct. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Sum of squares of other two sides ಅಲ್ಲಿ a square plus b square ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? c square is equal to a square plus b square. In the same way here also, the sum of squares of zeros of the polynomial. What are those zeros? You may take alpha and beta as the zeros, or m and n are the zeros. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. If I take alpha and beta, then the sum of squares of those alpha square plus beta square. This is 40 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. For this statement, we have to find out the value of k. Understood? Kundan, have you got? Yes. Now, Let's go for finding. Here particular zeros are not given. We are going to assume. Ayush. Right. Right. It is given polynomial is x square minus 8x plus 8. Then let us write the coefficients. A is 1. Prempi Kaleshwar. Barkolappa. A is 1. B is minus 8. And C is K. Let us find the sum and product. Sum, that is, here we do not know the zeros. So we have to assume. Let us assume the zeros are alpha and beta. Right. Sri Priya C. Nagasamudra. Are you following? Arthaktidenama? Okay. Aditi, yes? Okay. Good God. Yes. Prajwal A. Yes. I'm able to remember your face and name comfortably. Without reading that, I can, just by observing your face, I can tell your name. Because every day, even I am also practicing. Is it not? Nagsamudra. Ah, good girl. Let alpha and beta be the zeros.
Sir, K value is 12, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good. Alpha and beta be the zeros. Then I can write alpha plus beta is minus b by a. It is minus r. B is minus 8. A is 1. It's equal to 8. Then alpha into beta. This is C by A. Where C is K. A is 1. It will be K. Now, let's move on to the given state. The sum of squares of zeros is 40. So, from the statement, we can write it directly as alpha square plus beta square equal to 40. That is right. From the statement, you last year 9th alella ಒಂದು abbreviated form na use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Just observe it. AGS. NP-dena?
According to the given statement.
Very good, very good. QET.
According to given.
Do you all
Oh,
remember?
administratum.
Very good. It is. First one is according to given statement. Second one is quadra errata demonstrandum. Nothing but hence the given statement is crude. Another one. I dot E dot.
That is.
That is ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ.
That is innocence.
Is that ಅಂದ್ರೆ T ಬರಬೇಕು. I is ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I ಬರಬೇಕು.
Innocence.
I have written I.
Innocence.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನದು?
It is, sir.
Very good. It is id est. Id est. Latin words. Id est. Meaning of this, it is that is. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ IE ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. I dot E dot comma. This is actual way of writing. You AGS ಅಂತಾನೂ follow up ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. From the statement or according to the
Equals to 12.
AGS. Pawan Kumar. Very good point. And
Sir, K is equal to 12.
alpha square, you're right, plus beta square is equal to 40. Alpha square plus beta square is 40. Jai Kishan. Okay. Alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, which is equal to 40. Substitute. Where alpha plus beta is we have found out that this is 8 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. This is k is equal to 40. Then 8 square is 64. Then minus 2k equal to 40. Then 64. Transfer 40 to the left hand side. It becomes minus 40. Transfer minus 2k to the right hand side. It becomes plus 2k. So honey, have you got final answer?
12, sir.
So honey, yes. Yeah, 64 minus 40, it is 24 is equal to 2k. Then k is equal to 24 by 2 is 12. K value is
Equals to 12, sir.
12. Yes. Over. Now I'll move on to the last one. Alphabet. Last one. Right. This is, it is also a statement problem. It is fifth one, no? It is
Fourth one, sir.
fourth one.
answer.
Right. If the sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial, if the sum of zeros of the polynomial kx square plus 2x plus 3k. Shankar, Jai Kishan, 3k is equal to the product is equal to their product. Then find k. When we were solving or when we were forming a quadratic polynomial, we come across this statement. Sum of the zeros is equal to product of the zeros. Mostly, you may recall that now. It's very simple.
Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta.
Oh, very good, very good. Just observe. Afterwards, you can write. Shankar, your camera will always be facing to the ceiling. I think you are sitting attached to the ceiling. Look here. If the sum of zeros is equal to their product, the zeros are alpha and beta, their sum alpha plus beta, their product alpha into beta. Sum of zeros is equal to product of zeros. Using this statement, we have to find out the value of k. So let us find out alpha plus beta and alpha into beta with respect to the given polynomial. Rajat, who are writing? Rajat Kesari, right. The given polynomial is, it is kx square plus 2x plus 3k. Then here a is k, b is 2, c is 3k. Next, let us find out the sum. We do not know the zeros. We should assume. Let alpha and beta be the zeros, then we can write alpha plus beta is minus b by a. It is minus 2 by k. Then alpha into beta.
value is -2/3, sir.
Good
minus
point.
1.5, sir.
Alpha into beta, c by a, where c is 3k and a is k. K and k get cancelled. The product is 3. Here I write. According to the given statement, AGS. According to given statement, we can write like this: alpha plus beta equal to alpha beta. Hope that you are written. Now you substitute. It is alpha plus beta is minus 2 by k. Then alpha into beta is.
Sir, board is not clear, sir. Sir, board is not clear, sir.
It's clear, sir.
Board is not clear.
It's clear, sir.
Sir, clear only.
Sir, it's
So
Clear, sir.
Clear,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Enough. Yes.
It is not clear, sir.
Ashutosh, it is your network problem.
Okay.
Okay. Now let us go for finding the value of k. Cross multiply. Minus 2, that's equal to 3 into k. 3k. Then k is equal to minus 2. Transpose 3 to the denominator. Minus 2y. Overall, hope that you have finished.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sahasra, finished up? Okay. Just listen to me. Listen to me. Pranati, nam jotagene barita hogbekama, correct mugiyutte. Just listen. So we have solved all the types of problems related to zeros of the polynomial. Idishte sakagutte nimage. Examination point of view, it's enough. And next we have exercise 2.2. This is exercise 2.2. In this, only 2 mains are there. So I'll send the photocopy of this. If you do not have the textbook, you can make use of it. Or if you have the textbook, you can use the textbook and please go for solving exercise questions. Only 2 mains are there. Got it? This is for homework. Already solve which have not been solved. You take only those problems and complete the exercise 2.2. And then from tomorrow onwards, we can focus on another important concept of this chapter, that is division of polynomials, related to even zeros also. Got it?
Sir, notes on this, sir.
Notes he should solve, sir.
Pardon me?
Sir, notes only you have to solve, sir.
Yes, you have to write in the notebook only. You have, this is the last problem. After this, you have to write exercise number 2.2 and you have to solve the problems given in that. Okay. And another information, please know your register number properly. Your register numbers are different from roll numbers. Register number, it starts from pi, pi. From there, whatever the number has been given, use that. In yesterday, when I asked you to enter your marks, both maths and science marks, some students were not able to write their register number properly. They have written just numbers 2, 3, 5, 3 like this. It should start from pi. I have already given you that. And roll number, just you can last 2 or 3 digits can be used. Next, last information. Last information is tomorrow you have Google form test for 25 marks. It will be in the evening from 7 to 7:45. Total 25 marks. And the chapter on which I'm going to give you the test is real numbers. Real numbers. Just go for working out the real numbers chapter.
Sir, all 1 mark
Alright.
questions, sir.
It
All
25.
MCQ, sir.
All 1 mark questions.
Sir,
Yes.
MCQ are-
MCQ ಇರತ್ತಾ sir?
All are 1 mark question only. 1 mark question only. Then
Will be
another
yes.
important information is some questions will be given to enhance your the speed mathematics. So there you need to calculate fastly and go for choosing the right option. Okay, Nitish, have you understood? Okay.
Timing, sir?
It's
Timing, sir?
Evening from 7 to 7:45. Morning as usual, online class will be there. Okay, now it is time up. Let me conclude. Today, what all the problems we have solved? They are important. Please work out them without fail. At least 2 to 3 times.
Yes,
So
sir.
with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much. Have a
Thank you,
great
sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,